Hey, this is tkviper, and today we're looking at Kua Aina, a hamburger place that's based in Hawaii with locations in Hawaii, Tokyo, and London only. They started serving their burgers in 1975, and they really make amazing burgers with the freshest ingredients and huge portions. Today I got the combo set. It comes with french fries and onion rings. And a soft drink that you can upgrade by paying another 100 yen to a cocktail drink like this. This is a guava pink lemonade, I think. Alright, let's take out the burger. It is quite huge. You can see it's at least 4 inches thick. You're going to have to smash this thing before you can put it in your mouth. I'm going to require the assistance of my child to open this up. I only have one hand free. My right hand is holding the camera. I forgot my tripod today. So this burger is about $17.80, so about 16 US dollars. It includes everything. It's a combo set. By itself, I think it's like 13 something, so about $12. So the burgers are quite expensive, but they are worth it. As you can see, very big, about 4 inches thick, really big piece of hamburger patty there. We have their special sauce underneath the bun, lettuce, tomato, salsa sauce, and then a lot of cheese on top of the patty. It's quite messy. Here's another look at the entire set. I really highly recommend you try this place if you're in Tokyo. They're really good. Here's another shot. After taking a bite, you can see all the ingredients in a cross-sectional view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one.